Welcome to Central Park's hidden waterfalls. We are situated in the western section of the park, roughly between 101st Street and 106th Street. This is where you'll find this system consisting of 3 waterfalls. It's not an area of the park that is as visited as others, and they are kind of hidden in the sense that they are shrouded or hidden by this canopy of trees that we have all around us. In fact, we find ourselves in the largest woodland in the park. It's 40 acres big, and these waterfalls are centered along this body of water here called the Loch. There's several components to it, definitely the rock, the big boulders of Manhattan mica schist, which happens to be the foundation that we have on the island of Manhattan. There's also other elements like coconut husk fibers that are used to maintain the edges of the Loch of this continuous stream, and regular New York City tap water.
You can still see that life is happening around you, but it's without the sirens and the honks and the noise. And what the waterfall does is it allows you to enjoy that, the beauty of the people and the city around you, but it kind of drowns out all that kind of madness that's always going on around you.
One of the things that makes this such a unique space is that it echoes very much what you'll encounter if you visit north of New York City. If you go to, for example, to the Adirondack Mountains, or if you venture further up north to, well, really to the Catskill Mountains, Adirondack, you encounter very similar spaces. This was done for people who could potentially not have had the possibility to venture out of the city.
I love how it breaks up some of the park. I've seen a lot of green, a lot of trees, which from Arizona, this is already a treat, yeah. But then seeing this water and the waterfalls, it was beautiful.